Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today I want to share with you how to make the gray composition from the reference photo. This is a reference photo of tulip fields. So a gray composition is composed of main, first, second, and third character. So I will incline this flower to the right and next, this flower pull up and draw whole shape of flowers. And one more thing, I will make a small path here in the distance. Okay, open your imagination. Okay, shall we start? Colors a sort of yellow for flower and use any sort of yellow you can use it. Okay, brushes. I will use background brush and synthetic brush and tiny brush. Okay. First, wetting the entire paper fully. Apply water 2 or 3 times. Okay, next, getting some watery turquoise blue. Apply in the sky and foreground area. Next, move on to flower. Get sort of yellow. You can use any kind of yellow colors. This is first layer for flower. Look at my brushes carefully. First get color, second touch paper, use tip of the brush, third push the paper palmly and slide up. Touch, push palmly and slide up. Keep that in mind, okay? And adding in background flowers here and there. Draw some flowers in the distance. I'm using very light yellow color. Yellow ochre mix burnt sienna. Draw on the small pad. Get more dark burnt sienna. Touch on the road one more time and the foreground area. Flowers stem with the mixture of sap green and burnt sienna. This is a stem. Burnt sienna mix ultramarine dip and draw some trees next to road. Come back to flowers. Get a strong, thick yellow for the second layer of flowers. Mix yellow, orange, mix yellow and orange, draw on the petals and between petals. I'm using same technique with draw flower. Get some color and touchy, push palmly the paper and slide up. This is for some flower leaf. Draw many leaves on the foreground. Brush stroke down to up. Change the brush, small tiny brush. This is pointed brush. Okay, get some yellow and mix orange. Draw some lines on the petal. Paint on the tip of the flower and down area. Draw some lines on the petals. There is a flower's vein. This is a stem. Today I used only wet on wet technique. And this paper is still wet. So your brush move quickly when you touch the paper. If your brush stay a long time on the paper, the colors will spread and make the paper messy. Okay, and touch trees again in the distance. Draw road with burnt sienna color. Get some little bit dark sap green. Put on the tree one more time. Draw some stem, flower stem, sap green mix, burnt sienna. Draw some leaves and some dots next to a flower here and there. Okay, almost done. So I'm going to using a spreader technique with Tulip blue and touch the paper next to flowers with turquoise blue. I wanna make it looking natural. Today painting is a little bit simple, just to use the wedone technique and colors yellow and sap green, just a simple color. Okay, today work all done. See you next time. Bye.